language lovers, and welcome back! Today we are tackling a crossword puzzle that is designed to recap some awesome vocabulary we have covered recently. Before you start, make sure you are prepped. Watch these videos to refresh your memory. English Advanced Vocabulary Made Easy. Level up your language skills. 12 trendy English words you need to know in 2024. Kitchen Utensil Challenge. Can you master the culinary arsenal? Once you have watched those, come back here and let's tackle this crossword. It's a mix of advanced vocabulary, kitchen utensils, and trendy slang. A truly diverse vocabulary workout. Let's begin. Across. 1. Present, appearing everywhere. Ubiquitous. 4. A tool for draining pasta. Calendar. 6. An enthusiastic fan. Stan. 7. Unmatched, unique. Inimitable. 8. A fake video. Deep fake. 12. A tool for mixing ingredients. Whisk. 13. Gripping tools. Tongs. 15. A tool with fine mesh. Sieve. 16. A lucky accident. Serendipitous. Down. 2. Secret, mysterious. Arcane. 3. Fitness inspiration. Fitspiration. 5. An embarrassing moment. Cringe. 9. Extremely hungry. Hangry. 10. Untiring, persistent. Indefatigable. 11. A tool for flipping food. Spatula. 14. A tool for peeling vegetables. Peeler. How do you do? Let me know your scores in the comments below. This video was a fun way to test your knowledge of both sophisticated and everyday vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe for more vocabulary challenges and fun language lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.